Welcome to the main event, the Battle of the Strippers, Paint Strippers. In the top left corner, weighing in with a fast 5 to 30 minute working time, Liberon's Fine Wood Stripper. In the bottom right corner, prowling into the arena, Barrettine's Paint Panther. No drip gel. Interior, exterior, no nonsense. Top right, making a very polite entrance, Polyvine's Paint and Varnish Remover. Ultra-low VOCs, just very civilised, almost suspiciously so. And in the bottom left corner, Osmo's Paint Stripper takes on paints, varnishes, even concrete and stone. It's not here to make friends. Right then, touch gloves or put them on. Let the battle commence. First in the ring, Liberon. Lovely gel consistency, anti-drip, no splashy drama, goes on smooth, stays where you put it. It's already getting to work, but you'll need a fair bit of it. Coverage, not exactly stretching its legs. This one likes a generous application. And here comes Polyvine. Out of the bottle, it looks like a slightly tragic slush puppy. Goes on more like paint than gel, so mind the splashes. Not instant fireworks here, it's taking a measured approach, calm, composed, possibly still reading the instructions. Next up, Osmo, another completely different texture, again more paint-like than gel. If you've got details and grooves to tackle, pack it in there. Stipple, stipple! Work it into every nook and cranny like you mean it. And finally, the nation's favourite, Paint Panther. Last onto the brush, but oh, that's lively. Perhaps it should be renamed Splashy McSplashface. Definitely the most watery of the four, so steady hands required, unless you fancy redecorating your trousers. Check this out, a quick word from the referee. Cover the area with cling film. It stops everything drying out and keeps it working longer. Consider it tactical timeout management. And we're back after 4 hours in the dressing room. Liberon first, there's definite progress here. 2 layers of paint lifted with relative ease. Scrapes back nicely, a solid, dependable performance. Polyvine, oh dear, I think they're still on holiday. The top layer's shifting, but anything underneath is stubbornly staying put. Right now, Osmo. It's officially recommended for up to a day's dwell time, but just after 4 hours, look at this. It's almost back to bare wood. This is textbook form. And Paint Panther, not bad through the layers, but removal is a bit of a workout. It goes kind of rubbery, so you'll need to put some elbow grease into the scrape. Effective? Yes. Effortless? Not quite. So, who takes the belt? Every project's different. Different surfaces, different layers, different history. But on this particular door, with more coats than you need for a British winter, for pure stripping power, the winner on points, and possibly by knockout, is Osmo Paint Stripper. Yes, it's the most expensive of the 4, but performance, results, and ease of use put it firmly at the top of the podium. If you need more help and advice, do get in contact with the wood care experts in the locker room on 01303 477 555.